but most of the cases, very good as CEO people. So today, this short meeting, I want to say something because I with another engineer, we come to this side more than a week now. After we check in all the production we have now, I have some suggestions and also something to tell the workers what we're going to do. This is let's say another training. Before we do, people even do not know what's the machine, right? What it is, what the Chinaman talk about. And now, when I talk about the position, I think everyone should be know, and must be know. So I want this meeting to try to reduce all the costs. Also, try to change some of the people's behavior. Some of the work they do and some of the things they doing is not right. The first thing, like saying the cassava, when the cassava is coming, I also negotiated with Lawrence and Jerry before, and in that small room, and I want to say again. We try, also for the lab guys. Later you suggest to the MD or suggest to Viswa, again. We cannot let the cassava to stay inside the factory too long. Definitely when the cassava is harvesting out, they put the inside of the factory after the rain. So the cassava will get damaged, and also some of the starch will be loose, frequently from the day. Maybe the first day only lose 1%. Another day, maybe after 5 or 6 days, they lose 20% of the cassava will lose. The starch will lose out. So this is very serious, very important, because somehow you in the position now. So you must suggest and must have another meeting, group meeting of new people, Of course, lab guys must join, to talk about it. So in the future, how we running the factory, how we product, make sure we got the best perfect, right? Not lose. This I think the lose too much. Like the day I come here, there's more than maybe 110 cassava there. After maybe more than 7 days or 8 days, finish. So in the last days, the cassava start lose a lot, lose too much. So that meaning the profit lose. And also the cassava getting bad, the yellow salary increasing. So this is all why we have those things happen. So but that one later we have another meetings to make sure we find the best solution, best way to solve those kind of problems. So now I talk about some of the production now. Like from the beginning, when the cassava go inside of the hopper, bell conveyance, roller case, handle washer, another roller case. I think everyone knows the machine name, right? I don't want to repeat the machine name. By those sections, I want you guys to reduce the water cost. I know maybe in Africa, the water not so costly and many things, but they still, this consumption we still need to think about it. When we doing the water, we need to treat it, right?